It all started with a single captivating photo, a seemingly simple snapshot that would soon ignite a global beauty phenomenon. Lisa from Blackpink, effortlessly cool and chic as always, graced our screens. Her style, as per usual, was impeccable, but this time it wasn't just her trend-setting outfit or her overall aura that caught everyone's attention and sparked a frenzy. It was her lips, stealing the spotlight with their understated elegance. She wore a creamy, brownish nude shade, a color that seemed to whisper sophistication. It was unique, not quite brown, not quite pink, a perfect balance of warmth and neutrality. Fans everywhere immediately took notice and asked, "What is that lip color?" The internet was abuzz with speculation and admiration. The answer? Milk tea, a revelation that resonated with beauty enthusiasts worldwide. The shade looked just like a cozy cup of creamy milk tea, comforting and chic all at once. It was a warm, milky beige with a subtle hint of brown, creating a look that was both modern and timeless. Lisa's post sparked a global beauty trend almost overnight, catapulting the milk tea shade into the mainstream. Suddenly, everyone wanted to recreate her look, eager to capture that same effortless elegance. The hunt for the perfect milk tea lipstick began, with beauty aisles becoming treasure troves of potential matches. Beauty lovers started dissecting every detail, analyzing undertones and finishes in their quest for the perfect dupe. It wasn't a bold red or pink demanding attention. Instead, its very subtlety is what made it so powerful and universally appealing. Lisa's undeniable influence turned a simple color into a worldwide statement, proving the power of celebrity endorsement. Online forums and beauty blogs buzzed with excitement, sharing tips and tricks for achieving the perfect milk tea lip. Everyone was trying to decode her exact products, meticulously researching every possible lipstick and lip liner combination. The milk tea lips trend quickly became a symbol of effortless chic, a go-to look for those seeking understated glamour. It was accessible, aspirational, and easy to incorporate into any makeup routine. Ultimately, it was universally flattering, complementing a wide range of skin tones and personal styles. It proved that sometimes the most understated looks can make the biggest impact, leaving a lasting impression. All it took was one stunning image, perfectly capturing a moment in beauty history, to launch a full-blown beauty movement. And just like that, Lisa's milk tea lips became the new must-have look, forever etching its place in the Beauty Hall of Fame. So, what exactly is milk tea color? It's a question that's been on the minds of beauty enthusiasts everywhere. Imagine the process of creating this beloved drink. Picture pouring creamy, luscious milk into a cup of rich, dark black tea. The result is a mesmerizing transformation, a soft, muted brown with a delicate, milky beige undertone. It's a harmonious blend of warmth and subtlety. It's not flat or overwhelmingly dark. There's a gentle warmth that radiates from within, giving it a unique depth. And sometimes, you'll notice a subtle hint of rose or apricot, adding a touch of playful vibrancy. This shade manages to be both cozy and modern, offering a comforting yet stylish appeal. It's the ultimate my lips but better shade, but with a sophisticated brownish twist that elevates your natural beauty. Milk tea sits perfectly in that sweet spot between a classic nude and a light, approachable brown. It provides just enough color to define your lips, enhancing their shape without ever feeling overpowering or artificial. It's incredibly versatile. You can effortlessly pair it with a dramatic smoky eye for a night out, or keep it simple with a fresh, natural look for everyday wear. The best part? This shade flatters almost everyone, regardless of skin tone or undertones. It has a unique ability to brighten the face in a subtle and understated way, enhancing your natural radiance. It's like a soft focus filter for your lips, creating a plush, smooth, and utterly inviting appearance. And that's precisely why it quickly became a global beauty phenomenon. Beauty brands quickly caught on to its popularity, recognizing its potential to become a must-have shade. Soon, milk tea was officially recognized as a distinct and essential shade in lipstick collections everywhere. It beautifully filled a gap that existed between traditional pinks, bold reds, and understated nudes, offering a fresh and undeniably contemporary neutral option for the modern makeup lover. The milk tea shade has solidified its place as a true staple in any makeup collection, drawing inspiration from the innovative world of K-beauty and resonating with global beauty trends. It's quickly becoming a new classic for lips everywhere, a timeless shade that transcends fleeting trends. Milk tea lips aren't just another nude or brown. They represent a shift in how we perceive neutral shades. They're something new, a fresh take on classic colors. Traditional nudes can sometimes look flat or wash you out, lacking depth and vibrancy. Milk tea adds warmth and dimension, creating a more flattering and dynamic look. It brings life to the lips, unlike the deep matte browns of the 90s, which could appear heavy. Milk tea is lighter, creamier, and much more wearable for a wider range of skin tones and ages. It has a translucent, milky quality, almost like a veil of color. That keeps it soft and approachable, making it perfect for everyday wear. It's never too overpowering. Pinky nudes lean romantic, often associated with sweetness and innocence. But milk tea is grounded and chic, with beige and brown as its base, offering a more sophisticated and modern feel. The result? A modern, edgy vibe that's still effortless and easy to pull off. Milk tea is a chameleon, adapting to different styles and occasions. It's neutral, but with personality, adding a touch of uniqueness to your look. Brown but luminous, catching the light and creating a healthy glow. Nude but lively, bringing warmth and energy to your complexion. It bridges the gap between color families, creating a new must-have category that resonates with a wide audience. That's why it's become a staple for so many, a go-to shade for any occasion. It's subtle, enhancing your natural beauty without being overpowering. Warm, inviting, and comforting, like a hug for your lips. And universally flattering, complementing a wide range of skin tones and undertones. The perfect everyday shade with a twist, offering something a little different from the usual. Milk tea lips are here to stay, proving that neutral doesn't have to mean boring. The best part? Milk tea lips work for everyone. If you find your perfect shade, fair skin with cool undertones, try a rosy beige milk tea for a natural flush, medium or warm toned skin. Go for caramel or oolong-inspired shades to enhance your glow. Olive skin, peachy or apricot undertones will make your complexion pop. Deep skin tones, choose richer, spiced chai or cinnamon browns for beautiful contrast. Avoid shades that are too light or chalky. Look for warmth and depth. Texture matters too. Matte for a modern look, creamy for hydration, gloss for a juicy finish. Experiment to find what makes you feel confident. The right milk tea shade will always look effortless and chic. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty. Want to try milk tea lips? Here's how. Start with smooth, hydrated lips. Exfoliate and apply balm. Apply your milk tea lipstick to the center, then blend outwards for a soft, blurred effect. For more definition, use a lip liner close to your natural color. Blot with tissue for lasting power, and dust with a bit of translucent powder if you want. Add a dab more color to the center for extra creaminess. Matte, satin, or gloss. Choose your finish. The key is confidence and understated elegance. Milk tea lips, simple, chic, and always in style.